This is artist Dennis Pendleton with another one of my short videos where I show you one thing that you can use in your watercolor painting right away. What I want to demonstrate today is a technique called spattering. It's something that's unique to watercolor painting. I'm just loading up my brush here. And I'm using a butcher tray, which is something I talked about in one of my other videos. Now for spattering, I have my brush loaded up with water and paint, and the size of the brush will indicate the size of the spattering. Obviously a bigger brush, bigger spattering. So I like to tap the brush against my finger, like that. And the finger will give a little bit, and it's soft enough that it's not going to damage your brush at all. And I like to point the brush right where I want the spattering, just like that. And then I tap away, and I get some nice spattering on there. It's a nice way to put some detail into a painting without being too specific. Now, if you're worried about the colors or the spattering getting in areas where you don't want, just take a paper towel like this and cut a hole in, or tear a hole in it like that, and then you can lay it down just like that. Load the brush up again, and when you do the spattering, it'll end up right where you want it, and the paper towel will catch it where you don't want it. So that's what I did right there, and you can see how it's a controlled area. Now I have a painting right here, which I did of some aspen trees in the fall, and you can see spattering in this area down in here and in some of the area up in here. And it's just a nice way to add some detail without getting too specific. All right, so this is artist Dennis Pendleton saying check out my website, DennisPendletonStudio.com. You can sign up for my Sunday emails where you get a free watercolor lesson every Sunday. So this is artist Dennis Pendleton saying keep on painting.